That was so cool.
It's scary outside, I can tell you. Katie, you're okay, sweetie pie. You're okay. You're all cool. You're cool like a pool.
Look at these clouds moving at us. They're so fast.
Wow, they're so different back here than in the front.
Could you plug my other ear, please? This one I have to hold the camera with.
Want me to get your gorilla thing?
Yes, please.
There was a chocolate.
Dad, look at this. Look at this. Can you plug my other ear, please?
Hmm?
Can you plug my other ear, please?
Where's the chocolate?
Oh, it's in the freezer.
Sam could be spending some time of his so-called study day looking for some volunteer or job thing, and he's on the internet or on Halo 100% of the time that he's not studying. All of my overtures haven't worked, but I kind of want to stop because I've done things and they haven't worked, and it's kind of his job now. Here, sweetie, you want?
Oh, yeah. How fast do you think the wind is? You can kind of tell more over there.